Hello, art teachers.
Hi, art teacher friends.
Today we're going to do a day in the life of this art teacher.
All right, let's get started. And today
We're going to start from my morning routine.
We are going to tour my classroom.
Before we get going though, I do want to tell you this. It's gonna be real.
we are ready to head to school.
Good morning from the Dominican Republic. I am ready to start my day.
I'm sure you understand the messy rooms, the artwork that's all over the place, the challenges of the day, the positive things that happen throughout the day as well.
Oh my gosh, I am so impressed. It is so awesome.
This is straight from the Art of Ed.
Really helped me and our lifesavers.
Clay all over my feet.
Of course, I would get a blister from opening glue bottles. Thank you so much for joining me today.
I hope that you were able to get some tips and tricks along the way. That was just one day in my life.
Rock it out, and I'll see you later.